Looking for the best baker's racks? In this video we look at some of the top 3 baker's racks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Southern Enterprises Dome Baker's Rack with 5 wine bottle storage. Pros: curved dome is a great look. Assembly is easy, with all parts labeled. Wine and spice racks can be omitted if you don't plan to use them. Cons: assembly works better with 2 people. Pre-drilled holes on parts may not line up perfectly. Bottom line: a sturdy and really attractive addition to any kitchen. It assembles easily, although you may find a second pair of hands come in handy. At number 2. Honey Candew Microwave Baker's Rack with Adjustable Shelf. Pros: fast assembly, usually in under half an hour. The cutting board is solid wood, and the unit overall is sturdy and stable. Comes in a variety of configurations. Cons: instructions could be clearer. Plastic clips used to put it together need to be positioned pointing in the right direction for the assembly to work correctly. Bottom line: an affordable option that features solid construction, a great look, and several different configuration options. At number 1. Seville Classics Baker's Rack for Kitchens. Pros: easy assembly, with no tools required. Cutting board can serve as extra counter space. Shelves have generous weight capacity. Leveling feet are easy to use and help stabilize the unit. Cons: some owners report missing parts and damaged cutting boards. Bottom line: this option is highly recommended for its sturdiness, easy tool-less assembly, and feature set. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.